Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about ThriveCart, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add your Facebook pixel or meta pixel into your cart product? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Facebook pixel to ThriveCart anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business selling digital products through ThriveCart, you know that by linking your Facebook pixel into your ThriveCart, it can help track conversion. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your ThriveCart dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into and this is the home screen. Now, before we go any further, I want to let you know when you're linking your Facebook or your meta pixel to ThriveCart, it's going to be handled on the product level. So if you have multiple products, you're going to have to go into each and every product to add your Facebook pixel. So in order to do that, here on the top, you're going to click on these three horizontal lines. Once you do that, you're going to see all of the products you're currently selling on ThriveCart. So just scroll down until you see the product you want to add your Facebook meta pixel to. So for example, this one right here, and you want to click on edit. Okay, once you do that, you should see these four options at the top, and you want to click on this button here called checkout. Once you do that, you'll see these two options, and you want to click on tracking. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see the various options for tracking services, but you want to click this box next to Facebook. And here is where you can go ahead and paste in your Facebook pixel ID right here. All right, once you've added it in, scroll to the bottom and then click on save and get URL. Okay, you should see a pop-up. It goes by pretty quick, letting you know that your product has been saved. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add your Facebook or your meta pixel into your ThriveCart, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.